Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wondered how to streamline your work, organize your ideas, and truly unlock your productivity in Notion, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through setting up the ultimate second brain system in Notion using a popular free template. By the end, you'll have a powerful personal workspace that's professional, customizable, and ready to help you tackle any project or goal, whether you're building a website, managing content, or just handling daily tasks. Let's dive right in. First things first, I always recommend using templates as a starting point, especially when you want your workspace to look polished right from the beginning. The free Ultimate Second Brain template is one of my top picks. Not only does it add a clean, professional vibe, but it saves a ton of setup time, and you can tweak it to fit your exact needs later on. To get started, open up Notion and head to the top left corner of your screen. There you'll find a little drop-down menu, which is where the magic happens. Click on it to reveal more options. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. It's laid out in a way that's friendly, and intuitive, designed for both beginners and pros. Once you're in the extended menu, look for Browse Templates. This section is basically Notion's catalog of pre-made setups, and the Second Brain template usually sits high among the most popular. In the search bar, type in Second Brain. You'll see several options pop up. Take your time and scroll through to pick the one that matches your style. Some have minimalist feels, some go more colorful. Just think about what'll motivate you to use it every day. When you've found your match, click on it, then hit Add. This automatically installs the template into your workspace, ready for your personal touch. Now you'll see the full Second Brain template laid out in your Notion dashboard. Here's where the fun starts. You have the power to enter your credentials, save your creative work, or capture anything important. Think of this area as your own digital control center. Whether you want a spot for brainstorming website ideas, planning blog posts, or even storing those quick notes you jot down during a meeting, this template has areas set up for all of it. Spend a few minutes clicking around, getting familiar with where each section lives. That little investment of time now pays off big as you add more info later. And here's a tip. Customizing the template is what takes it from great to truly yours. Maybe you want to rename categories, rearrange databases, add images, or update icons to better represent your workflow. There's no pressure to have it perfect right away. Remember, Notion is all about adapting to you. For example, if you're working on building a website, you can create a page just for design inspiration or draft ideas, link it to your project tracker, and tag relevant resources for easy reference. With just a few tweaks and additions over time, this template will reflect the way you think and work. That's all you need to get your ultimate second brain started in Notion. If you got value from this walkthrough, please hit the like button. And if you have questions or you want to share how you've personalized your workspace, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.